Hey, it's Ty Crandall with Credit Suite, and in this business credit funding tip, I'm going to teach you how to obtain revolving cash credit, Visa card, MasterCard, credit cards for your business without a personal guarantee and without a personal credit check. So once you have a total of 10 to 14 other accounts reporting on your business credit reports, then you can start to get approved for Visa, MasterCard, and American Express type credit. This is credit that we refer to as cash credit. Now, approval amounts are going to be equivalent to the highest credit limit account on the business reports you have. So before you get to this step, you're going to want to use vendors like Uline and Quill, and you get retail store credit at places like Apple and Amazon and have a total of 10 accounts reporting. The next thing is you're going to want to make sure you're using that credit so it's reflecting, so your credit report reflects that you're using the credit and paying the bills as agreed, and one of those accounts should have a high limit of at least $10,000 before you start applying for this type of credit. So you got to have at least 10 to 14 accounts reporting before you can get to Visa, MasterCard, and American Express credit, and one of those accounts needs to have a limit of $10,000 or higher. The only way to accomplish this is to actually be using the credit that you're getting. So make sure you're getting vendor credit and store credit with sources you actually are going to use the credit with, then start using the credit to get the money you need to grow the business. That will help you get at least one of your limits up to 10 grand and get the 10 to 14 accounts that you'll need on your reports to get to cash credit. Now, it's essential to keep using the credit, keep applying for more, and talk with the credit providers to raise your credit limits. The more credit you have reporting, the more accounts reporting, the higher the limits, the more credit's going to become accessible for you. And again, a good piece of advice is every 6 months, call those initial credit issuers and ask them to raise your limits. This is a good, sound piece of advice, something you should do on the consumer and business side, because the more available credit you have, the more you have access to the money you need to grow the business, and the better it looks on your credit reports. For more information on building your business credit, including vendors who can help you start your initial credit profile and score, how to get revolving store credit, and other tips, make sure you grab your free 4-step business credit building guide at creditsuite.com/tips, and feel free to give us a ring with any questions you have along the way as you're building your business credit at 877-600-2487, or visit us online at creditsuite.com.